So here we go, another video. This one's actually on my project. Today I'm working on Milla, the 1980 Toyota Corolla. The plan today is, as I've said before, the video has low compression in one of the cylinders, which severely hinders its ability to drive very well. I mean, it can drive, it can move a little, but it's not something that you can really do much with. So today I'm going to just try and seafoam the engine, change the oil, and see if any of that kind of rectifies it, because beyond that, at that point I've got to start taking the motor apart, and once I do that, I am not going to put it back together once I figure out what the problem is. It'll be more of a post-mortem at that point, because I do plan on swapping the motor, but if I can revive it a little bit, I might screw around with it a little more, because I have some parts that I'd kind of like to use before having to sell them. But anyway, let's get going. So, quick little thing. I've only got 2 ports on this intake manifold to try and suck seafoam through. I'm going to try and use the brake line because I'm not driving anywhere. But if needed, I'm going to try and use also the fuel pressure line, or for the fuel pressure regulator. I'm not quite sure how that will be responsive on the Mega Squirt, but we'll find out. So let's give it a go. So, I'm guessing the quick little seafoam is a no-go for me. I didn't expect much of it, because this was the cylinder that was dead. And you can tell that well, it's not dead, it's like 60 PSI versus like 100 or something on the rest. And watch this. No change in running whatsoever, just keeps going about its merry way. Whereas if I pull cylinder number 1, it's trying to die. So, and then do that. So yeah. I'm guessing I won't be doing too much more to this motor. It's got a bigger, brighter future ahead of it. Well, at least the car does. This motor, on the other hand, probably not much left. I'll admit, it sounds mean as fuck. But I mean, yeah, it's not doing much else. So, what I'm going to do is probably let it run a little more, just for shits and giggles. See if anything comes loose, but I was pretty sure the motor was, you know, that cylinder, something happened in there, and it needed a new motor anyway. This thing was old. So, seafoam. There goes the fan. Seafoam. I love it, but it doesn't fix everything. So, with that said, a small little update. I've got little things to work on with projects. That one's got a much bigger thing ahead of it. But till that day, or till whatever day comes next, have fun. Bye-bye.